Hello guys, we're on the Binaryo website and I've have my account open, logged in, and I basically want to walk you through, for any of the novices, people that don't quite understand how the binary options market works. I want to walk you through the process in how to actually open a position, close a trade, a call, put, expiry, so on and so forth. Okay, so you have a better understanding. Seeing is believing. And that's my ethos. So right now I'm logged into my account, and you have a list of tabs here. So you have the binary options, 60 seconds. We did speak about the limit order and social trading concept already. So what I want to discuss today is about the binary options in 60 seconds. So let's start with the binary options. With the binary options, you have a list of different assets to choose from. So you have the most popular ones, such as the euro dollar, pound dollar, gold, NASDAQ, for example. Then you have stocks, Apple, IBM, so on and so forth. There's quite a long list, which is pretty good. Morgan Stanley, McDonald's, eBay. Then you have currencies. Currencies, Aussie dollar versus US dollar, euro versus pound, euro versus yen, pound versus yen. So whichever major pair, Binaryo has that asset class. And then you have indices, NASDAQ, S&P 500, CAC 40, which is the French index, DAX, which is the German index, FTSE 100, which is the UK index, and then also you have the Hang Seng. And then you have commodities. You have gold, crude oil, silver. So they're the commodities you have there. So let's say, for example, okay, you're a new trader, you just set up your account with Binaryo, and now it's like, what next? What should I do? Well, obviously you would have completed your 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks of training, so you would have fully understand how this works, and you would have received the bonus, and maybe you would have fully understand how the social trading works. But let's just say now you want to start to learn how to trade, and you fully understand up to speed, but you want some more, little bit of training. So first and foremost, you have the let's say the euro dollar. So if I feel, so right now the euro dollar on this chart, it's pushed lower, right? And if I feel, for whatever, using technical analysis or some fundamental news, I feel that this market will increase in value over the next 15 to 30 minutes based on my strategy. And obviously you need to have some form of a plan, right? And that plan you should have acquired from the one-to-one training that you would have done once you've opened an account, because that's what it offers. If you open an account, you get one-to-one training for 2.5 weeks, which is fantastic online. So anyway, if your strategy is telling you a good opportunity as a buy on a euro dollar cable, so you're going to go for a call. So if you feel that this price over a period of time will increase in value, you enter a call position, and then you set a time. Okay, so if you feel that, so this is based on this current UTC time, 9:13. So if you think that it's going to close above your current open price, so let's say you wanted to enter that trade here at the rate of 1.31, for example, and you say, okay, you want to put in $30. Let's just say, then you click apply. Okay, so time left to invest, 11 minutes 35 seconds left to invest. So basically that's, apply. So what happens here, essentially that's the call, and then you've determined the potential payout. So let's just say I do $100. So I want a $100 investment, for example. My payout, if the price after, let's just say in 30 minutes, closes above this current price at 1.31012, I will receive a payout of $180. So I'll receive my initial investment back, $100, and then I'll also receive the $80 payout. So it's 80% payout on this call trade. I hope that makes sense. So I have an option. I can choose to close out this trade in 15 minutes, okay, because the time 9:15, 15 minutes, or 10 o'clock, for example, 45 minutes, or at the end of the day, okay. So it's all dependent on my strategy. So that's my investment, that's my payout. If I feel that this market will go up, that's exactly what I will do. If I think the market's going to go down, then I'll go for a put. Okay, so put, I think the market's going to go down after the period of in 15 minutes based on my system. Then you enter the trade, your investment, $30 for example. Then you click on apply. So $30, and that will be my payout, $54. Okay, so I receive my initial $30 back and then $24 on top. Okay, and you do exactly the same thing for any other asset class that's available. It's phenomenal. Okay, if you have a good plan, a good strategy, which you'll learn during the one-on-one session, and then you trade. So that's the binary options. Then you have the 60 seconds. 60 seconds is obviously a shorter time frame. So if you feel that it's going to be a very fast move in the euro dollar or whichever asset class, and you say, okay, I feel that in 1 minute euro dollar will increase above its current price. So I'll go for a call. Then I can put a $5 investment. That's the minimum investment, $5 investment. And then I click apply. So in 60 seconds, I will know whether I will receive a payout or not. Okay, because it's a 60-second trade. Very simple and very effective way of doing it. So they are the expiry dates. Okay, it's more the expiration time. So it's a simple way. So anyway, guys, I hope this tutorial has helped you, assisted you. And if you haven't opened an account, then just go ahead. If I just log out here, if you haven't opened an account, go to www.binaryo.com, click on open an account, and then you can go through the process following that. Once you've opened an account, you will receive 100% bonus with a minimum of $250. One-on-one training, that's a one-on-one, literally one-on-one training, not half an hour. A one-on-one training for about 2.5 weeks training, going over binary options, the strategy, everything. It's pretty good. So that's how it works. So anyway, all the best. Speak to you soon.